So in this video we will show you how to add your account in this portal. So I have upgraded my account from free to premium, so I can show you all the features. All right, if you wanted to use the free account, that's completely fine. If you need that any the new features, or is there any limitations in the free account, you can simply go to the upgrade here and upgrade your account. And free account is helpful for you. Please keep using the free account. All right, so let's go to the WhatsApp menu here. Click on the WhatsApp. Here you will see all the features here. I'll show you one by one in all the different videos. So in this video we will just add the our WhatsApp account in this CRM. All right, so go to the, just press this add account. Here you will get the WhatsApp QR code, and how you can link it. You need to go to the WhatsApp mobile applications and go to the setting, and you can see the link device options. Go to the link device options. If you see you have already 4 devices linked with any of the laptop or other device, you can simply go and remove any one of them which is not in use currently. Okay, then go to the link options and your camera will be open. You can simply scan this QR code. All right, I have scanned my QR code, so you can see my WhatsApp is registered here, right? Again, you have to go to the WhatsApp. In the first option you can see the report. So here you will see all the summaries, how many messages pending in for this month, what you have the limits, right? Limit is left. Here you will see all the total messages, and so later on videos we can see all the real data here, because we will do the testing as well. In the profile you will see your account is linked. If you wanted to add more account, simply go to this menu, connect a new account, and you will get the one more QR code. You just need to follow the same process. Go to the mobile phone and scan the QR code. Right, currently I only use the one number to demo you. All right, I'll just show you what is the purpose of the instance ID and the access token. Instance ID and access tokens we use for the integrate our Google Sheet or CRM or any ERP applications. This just to connect your Google Sheet to WhatsApp and WhatsApp to Google Sheet. All right, we will do the two-way transactions. And here you can see the status is connected. If you wanted to log out, then you can do log out, right? If you want to delete this number, just press this checkbox and press this delete icon. Your number will be deleted automatically. All right, so this way you can add your 6 account in the premium plan, and in the free plan you can only add a single WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video.